Question number 4, we have a bus stop that has to be located on the interval 0 to 1. There are 3 individuals located at point 2, point 3, point 9 respectively. A bus stop is located at x and the utility of individual located at y is negative of the distance between the 2 points. A relocation of the bus stop is said to be Pareto improving if at least one individual is better off and no individual is worse off from the relocation. So it's the standard definition of Pareto improvement. A location of the bus stop is said to be Pareto efficient if there does not exist any Pareto improving relocation. Then so you basically have to find the Pareto efficient points. Okay, so in this situation, let's just draw my line. This is my city. These are the individuals are located at point 2, point 3 and point 9. So this is 0.2 individual A, this is 0.3 individual B, and this is 0.9 individual C. Okay, so consider this location A. Okay, so consider location A. Okay, consider location A belonging to, sorry, let me not take x, let me take x. Location x which belongs to the interval B to C. Then any right shift makes B worse off. Okay, so if from this location he moves right, then B worse off, and any location to left makes C worse off. Okay, so any shift left makes C worse off. Okay, so the bottom line is x belonging to B to C is Pareto efficient for all x. Okay, so take any point which belongs to the interval B to C, it's going to be Pareto efficient. Now I am going to use the same logic for y. Okay, so same logic applies to y belonging to A to B, implies y belonging to A to B is Pareto efficient as well. Okay. Now consider a point here Z. Consider Z belonging to 0 to A. Okay, then any shift right brings the bus stop closer to everyone. Therefore, Z belonging to 0 say A is not Pareto efficient. Okay, and then I can extend the same logic, implies W belonging to C say 1 is not Pareto efficient either. Okay, therefore all points from 0.2 to 0.9, any point x for all x belonging to 0.2 to 0.9, location is Pareto efficient, right? So 0.2 to 0.9, all points are going to be Pareto efficient. Okay. So the answer is none of the above. The true answer is for all x belonging to 0.2 to 0.9, x is Pareto efficient.